welcome back to my channel. So today this is gonna be a little short video, you guys. I'm in the kitchen and I wanted to show y'all what I was cooking for lunch for us. So I got my pot stickers that I hauled from Dollar Tree. So I have my chicken and vegetables, and then I have my pork and vegetables right here, you guys. And these things are so good, okay? And as you see, I'm over here cooking them. See that? I got the look, I got where I just used these out of there, the pork and vegetable pot stickers. So yeah, that's what we are cooking. Well, that's what I'm cooking for lunch. Okay, so I will come back in a minute when they are done and let you see how they turned out. All right. Okay, guys, this is what it's looking like so far, because you have to let them get golden brown. So I'm about to take this first batch out, and then I'm going to put my second batch in, you guys. Okay, guys, I'm about to put my second batch in, y'all. Slide that in like that. Y'all see that? If y'all hear anything in the background, it's my son playing with his claw machine. We got him for Christmas, y'all, and he is obsessed with that thing. You fill it up with some candy and some little goodies, honey. He has a ball. So that's what that is, sounding like a carnival. His claw machine. Alright, get that in there. Y'all, I'm working with one hand right now, okay? Working with one hand. Alright, so I got a couple more from the chicken. Those are the pork ones right here, and these are the ones from the chicken ones that I had left over here. So I got the other ones draining, you guys. Alright, so that is all of those. That is all of 3 bags right there, you guys. I got these ones over here draining, getting all that oil off of them, you guys. And you have to be real careful with these pot stickers, honey, because if you put them in there too long, honey, they're going to come out black. So you have to be really, really careful with these, okay? So I'm going to let the other batch cook up, and then I will come back. All right, see y'all in a minute. Guys, I finished with the second batch, so they're over here draining this oil off in the strainer, you guys, okay? So that's the second batch. Here is my little bowl, okay? So I got about 5 in here with my duck sauce on it. So that's what I'm having for lunch. That's what everybody's having for lunch. Pot stickers. I don't know, I might throw a little side with it. I don't know, it just depends on if they want to side with it or not. If not, they gonna eat it just like that, okay? And I'm drinking my alkaline water right here, you guys. Oh my goodness, this does your body so good. Now I usually get it from the actual health store. You bring your own jug and fill up some alkaline water, but I didn't get by there, so I had to use the alkaline water from Walmart. Okay, so that's what I'm drinking on. All right, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. So I'm about to get off here and eat, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye, y'all.